Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today our meal is Mediterranean pork chops and honey glazed carrots. This is what you'll need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. It's only $13 for 4 people. We're going to start out by making a dressing, basically using olive oil, lemon juice, some honey, and some salt and pepper. Shake that up and get it nice and emulsified and set it aside. Next, go ahead and start your peppers. Cut them down the size just like this, both the red and the green. And then cut them into little slices just like this, about 1/4 inch thick. Same with the green peppers. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithms. It's fast and it's free. Now the onion, we're going to cut the head and tail off, set it on its top, and cut straight down to make petals, just like this. Should look like that. This is a real great way to cut these little tomatoes. Take a serrated knife, lay the hilt on the board, put your hand over the top, and just keep that hilt on the board and just cut all the way across. Lift the back of your hand at the very end, and you get almost perfect tomato halves. Now, dry off your pork chops with a paper towel, and then we're going to season both sides with salt and pepper. Get some oil in a hot pan and drop those chops right in there and start cooking them. We're going to get them good and brown on both sides. We want them to at least 145 internal temperature. You can see this one's done. I've got the other ones off. Now put a top over them. I put another plate over the top. Just keep them warm. Let them rest. Add your peppers and onions and cook those until the onions are almost translucent. Go ahead and add the tomatoes. Cook them for 1 more minute, and then it's done. Now we made the rice earlier. Go ahead and put that on your plate. Put the chop right on top, and then top it with those wonderful vegetables. Take that dressing we made, shake it up again, and just kind of give yourself a good squirt right across the top. Put the carrots on the side, and you have your entire dinner. There it is. Isn't that yummy looking? I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful Mediterranean pork chops and honey glazed carrots. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me get my recipes out all over the world. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.